5 reasons you might get a residential appraisal. Personal knowledge, right? So that's reason number 1, personal knowledge. I'm a homeowner. Maybe I'm just curious to where the market is. Could I reach out to a real estate agent or broker? Sure, absolutely. And in my opinion, I think that's probably the most valid opinion of value is from an active agent for one reason primarily. They are in the trenches every day, right? They know what consumers are biting on, what they're not. They're likely going to give you a very realistic opinion of value. Reason 2 could potentially be for, let's say, a probate, right? Now, the court is typically going to appoint a probate referee, which is ultimately going to do an evaluation of value for said property for the probate process. Reason number 3, you would want to get a residential appraisal. Now, this could be for a trust, right? A trust sale property. Now, typically, this is going to involve an appraisal on a purchase, right? When you're selling it, if there happens to be a buyer securing a home loan, very likely there'll be an appraisal. Reason number 4, you would secure a residential appraisal is for a home purchase. Now, most banks, however, if you are securing a home loan for a purchase, are likely going to want that buyer to order and pay for a residential appraisal. 5th and final reason you would secure an appraisal on residential property is for a refinance situation. Let's say, for example, you don't have the cash or the capital and you'd really like to remodel your bathroom or your kitchen or your entire home. Hey, but you've got equity sitting there. Maybe I'll do a refinance, pull out some equity, remodel my house. There could be a lot of personal reasons behind that motivation for a refinance, right? So super important to analyze. Now, that aside, the process is very similar, right? You're going to be working with a bank that's likely going to order that appraisal for you. And that appraiser is coming out again just to look at relevant and most recent historic sales data to again establish an opinion of current market value for that bank.